6%. Okay. When you are finding a percent, you get to 100 on your denominator, and you stop, okay? And your answer is your numerator. So if we have 7 over 25, I know I need to get to 100, so what do I multiply by? Times 4. So I would have 28 over 100. Okay, so notice I'm not going to simplify because I got to 100 and I stopped. So my answer is 28%. Okay. What about on this next one? I have 5 over 4. Okay, so notice this is already an improper fraction, right? Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, I'm gonna do exactly what I've been doing. Okay, so I need to get 4 to 100. How do I do that? Cameron. Times 25. 5 times 25 is 125. 4 times 25 is 100. Yep. So my answer is 125%. Does anyone have any questions on that? An actual question. What?
So like, say I got 23 out of 100 right on my test. And so this is how we would make a percentage?
Yes, it would be a 23%.
So this is how teachers make percentages?
Yes. Yes.
Are you the questions like have like when I bought like
The denominator.
yeah, the denominators where they can't go to 100?
So yeah, we're gonna go over one that's like that. Okay. Okay. Now we're writing a percent as a fraction. So we're switching it up. We're starting with the percent. So we have 11%. What's my first step? Alex, put the calculator away or I'm going to take it from you. You do not need it right now. Isaac, what's my first step?
To give the number a denominator.
What's my denominator? Perfect. Okay, so we have 11 over 100. Is that simplified?
Yes.
Yes, we cannot simplify any further, so that's our final answer. Okay. So the next one says write 45% as a fraction. It's going to go over 100 because it's always going to go over 100. Haley, what do I do next? Divide by 5. Okay, so we have 45 divided by 5, which is 9. We have 100 divided by 5, which is 20. Is that simplified?
Yes.
Yes, that's our final answer, is 9 over 20. Okay, so when you're finding a fraction, you have to simplify. When you're finding a percent, you get to 100 and you stop. Okay, write 130% as a fraction. So that'll be 130 over 100. So, Isaac, what do you think?
Couldn't you do 130, make it 1, and then you do 30 over 100? Or you could divide by 10.
Okay, so we simplify first, and then we change to a mixed number. So we simplify first.
So divide by 10.
Okay, so this is one of those cases, yes, I'm going to divide by 10, but if we would have divided by 2 first, that's one where we would have had to simplify more than once. Okay? Okay, so we're going to divide by 10. 130 divided by 10 is 13. 100 divided by 10 is 10.
Yeah. Why don't you just divide it by 5?
If you divide it by 5, you're going to have to simplify again, because that would get us 30.
Because that would get us 6 and 20, and then you can divide that by 3. And then that'd be 1. That'd be 2. It'd be something.
Okay, so this is the easiest way to do it. We could have divided by 2, and we could have divided by 5, but this one gets us straight to it. If we would have done 2 or 5, we would have had to simplify twice.
So when you're simplifying, you want to go for like the biggest number? The big one.
Yes, but I mean, you could have done it that way. If you would have, 130 over 100. You want to divide by 5?
Yeah.
Okay. So that divided by 5 is 30 over 20.
Oh yeah, and then
So then you would have had to divide again.
Yeah.
Since we divided by 10, we only had to do it once. Okay, but you'll still get the same answer.
And then I got 1/6. I got 1/6 of 20.
Yes. So if I change this to a mixed number, you see how many times 10 goes into 13, and it goes in once. And I'd be left with 1 3/10. So I'll accept either of those answers, 13 over 10 or 1 3/10. Okay. What? Yep. Unless it asks specifically for a mixed number, but I haven't came across any problems that ask for that. They say you can leave it in improper if you want. Okay. This word problem says a drought affects 9 out of 12 Midwestern states. What percent of the Midwestern states are affected by the drought? So I'm trying to get to a percent. So it's giving me a fraction. What is my fraction?
9, 12.
Benny, what is my fraction?
9,
Okay, 9 out of 12.
Emily Costas, please come to the office.
Okay. Is 12 a factor of 100? Okay, Mia, face forward and write this down with me. Okay, so I need to get 12 to 100 because it's asking for a percent. So how do I do that if 12 doesn't go into 100? Good. You need to find a number that can. Okay, so we know, I'm sorry, my voice is getting really bad. Thank you, Vinny. Okay, we need to get 12 to 4 because we know 4 goes into 100 how many times?
25.
25. Okay, so we need to divide both of these by 3. So this is like what we did in the ratio tables. Okay, we had to take one extra step to get to a number so that we could get to our other number. Okay, so we had to take that extra step. So this would be 3 over 4, and then I need to get that to 100. So I need to times it by 25 because I know 4 times 25 is 100. Okay, so I get 75 over 100. So 75% of the Midwestern states are affected by the drought. You don't simplify because we're looking for the percent. No, not homework time. Yes, Callie. This wanted to know the percent.
Yeah, but why would you want to know? Like, just in general, why would you?
Some people would want to know. I don't know. Okay, give me 1 second. I need you guys to